This is my Herbal Glow and Repair shower gel. Now, this doesn't just glow your skin alone, but it also repairs your skin. So for all those that have damaged their skin because they used very harsh products, or you're suffering from multicolored skin or any kind of skin bleaching whatsoever, this product is definitely for you. Okay, this product is going to help reverse all the damages that has occurred on your skin, and then consistent use of it is going to help naturally brighten you up and clear any pigmentation issues you may have whatsoever. So guys, let's go straight into the tutorial because I do not want this video to be long at all. Okay, so in my cup here I have my soaps that I'm using for my bar soap. For my base soap, firstly I have my Ghana white soap, I have my black Ghana soap, and then this other little soap I have right here is my green balls. So this is all you need. If you have your hash balls, you can add that also. Remember, this is a repair soap and a glow soap, so you don't need any industrial product in here. You're not trying to make anything that is going to overly whiten anybody. Okay, it's just supposed to repair the damage that it's already available on their soap, on their skin. So using my hands, I'm just going to break these soaps into little bits. Okay, and this is because I am going to soak this soap. So I'm just going to help the process along by breaking them into little bits. They are very malleable and it's very easy to do with your hands. You don't have to grate anything. So once we are done breaking down our base soap, the next thing I'm going to do is to introduce my botanical powders. Now I've chosen about 5 special botanical powders for this recipe. First on the list is turmeric powder, and I've chosen it because it lightens the skin. It helps fight hyperpigmentation and discoloration. I've also chosen neem powder because it helps to treat acne and it has antibacterial properties. There's sandalwood powder that helps to fight sunburns, reduce signs of aging. Camwood powder that helps to actually glow your skin, helps to fight eczema and improves your skin texture. And finally, but most importantly, our orange peel powder. This brightens your skin and actually lightens your skin naturally and safely, okay, without causing any damage. So once our powders and our soap base is all mixed together, I'm going to be introducing really hot water into this. Okay, so you don't have to use distilled water because you're making black soap, but just make sure whatsoever water you're using is very hot. So now that we've soaked our soap and our botanical powders in boiling water, using a spatula, I'm just going to give it like a proper stir, and then I am going to seal it. Okay, so using an aluminium foil, I'm going to be sealing the top of the cup and setting it aside so it can slowly melt and dissolve over time. I'm going to be leaving this to heat up for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then we're going to come back and unveil it. So after 30 minutes, I gently take off the aluminium foil, trying to get to what has become our shower gel base. Okay, can you see our soap is not completely melted yet, but it has gone really far. We're still going to melt this further, or we're still going to blend this to help it incorporate properly. To also give it that shower gel slimy consistency, we'll be adding a bit of our shower gel into this mix. You can use any plain shower gel in the market. I am using Idol shower gel. It really doesn't do much on your skin, but it's very plain. That's why I like it. So we're going to be adding this in here just to help boost the foaming effect and to give it that shower gel consistency that you like. Now, if you don't like to add the shower gel, you don't like that shower gel thick consistency, you want it more watery, you can replace the shower gel with more hot water. Okay, so instead of using the percentage I assigned to just water, you add it up with the percentage for shower gel and use all that as water in your formulation. I hope you understand. If you don't understand exactly what I mean, just drop your comments and your questions in the comment section and I'm going to get back to you. Okay, but for now, let's go on with our production. Thing I'll be adding into this shower gel is our oil. Okay, and for the oil, I'm going to be using this vitamin C brightening body oil. I made this on this channel. You can find the link to this oil below in the description box, so you can check it out if you want to make the oil also. I'm going to be adding this oil into the mixture. Okay, you have to be very careful how much oil you add into your shower gel, because too much oil and your shower gel will not foam. So now guys, we are going to be adding our exfoliant here. Remember, we didn't use any of those normal exfoliants like your ozone soap, so we'll be using our chemical exfoliant, and what we're going to be using here is lactic acid. This is going to help get rid of those dead skin cells, shed them off your skin gently and mildly, and make sure that this product really penetrates into your skin and does wonders for you. Okay, now next thing we're going to be adding aside lactic acid is our vitamin E oil. This is a natural antioxidant, which means that it's going to help prevent your product from oxidizing. It's going to help your products last longer. It's going to help give you a more supple and soft and moisturized skin. Be going in with a preservative Jamal Plus. This is a broad spectrum preservative. Okay, so we'll be adding it into this mixture. Remember, we added water to this soup, so there's no debate here. You must add your preservative to prevent your soup from going bad. Okay, so for those of you that don't like preservative, please do not make the mistake of skipping it, because in less than 2 or 3 days you come and check your product and then it will have like a very awful smell, or the color would have changed, or you find molds growing on it. So we'll also be going in with propylene glycol, okay, just to make the product a bit more effective. And the way propylene glycol does that is that it acts as a penetrator, which means that it acts as a delivery mechanism to make sure that the ingredients in your product penetrates within the surface layer of your skin. Okay, so you make sure all these ingredients get deep into your skin, which most times is where the root of your skin issue is coming from. So we're just going to give every single thing a thorough mix just to incorporate it all properly. And after doing this with our spatula, we are then going to repeat the same process with our whisk. Okay, so the reason you don't whisk from the very start is so you don't incorporate a lot of air bubbles into this. We don't want this to be twice its size because that's what air does. We're just going to lightly whisk this, and then production is done. So while we are doing that, guys, I hope that everybody has subscribed to the channel, because if you've watched the video for this long, it means that you've liked it. It means that you really enjoyed this video. So what I really would like you to do is to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, share this video with your friends and family, share it with everybody on your contact list. If you are yet to subscribe, I'm seriously giving you like the side eye. Okay, so the subscribe button is just below. Click on it to join the Bloom Skincare family and gain access to effective DIY skincare recipes, either for personal use or for resale. Okay guys, let's help each other grow, and that should be our goal for this year. Okay, so now that our blending is done, you guys can see how smooth our shower gel looks. Like everything has properly incorporated. Look at how beautiful it is. This is going to properly repair your skin. All that discoloration, hyperpigmentation, this is going to completely take it all off. Okay, so you can see it's the consistency is not so watery, and that's because we added our shower gel to it to achieve this thicker consistency. So all that is left now is to turn this into our desired bottle. Oh, before that, before putting it into your bottle, you should actually add your essential oil. Okay, any essential oil of your choice would do. Tea tree essential oil, lang lang essential oil, lavender, peppermint essential oil. Just add your essential oil and give it another whisk. Okay, I actually lost the footage of where I added my essential oil, so any essential oil will do, really, just a few drops, and give it a proper blend, and you're done. Your product is ready. As simple as ABC. Okay. At this time, guys, our shower gel is done. All we have to do is to turn it into our desired container, and voila, production is all done. Okay, I want to say a big thank you to each and every one of you that watch my videos and have subscribed to my channel, and even those that will still subscribe after seeing this video. You guys are the best. Welcome to the family. You guys encourage me to make more videos like this. I love you all. See you in my next video. Remain blessed. Subscribe to